again, guys, welcome back to my channel, Slinish Skincare. So yeah, today I'm going to do a quick night routine, what I do for my face before I go to bed. And yeah, it has been a while, it's been a minute, so welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. So this is where I share some of my nighttime routine, skincare routine, hair slash routines, products that I use for my hair and all that. So yeah, as you can see on my profile pictures on this channel, I'm currently braided, so I won't be able to do videos on hair at this moment, but I will be doing a review on products that I use on my face. So let's go. I'm gonna wash my face and then also take a shower before I go to bed. Okay, so this is the product that I use. I got this from Dollarama and it's just $5. I've been using this for a while now, since last year. I think for close to 3 months now. So I'm going to start off by wetting my face. Okay. Oh yeah, this is action time. So this is the soap and the brush itself. So you just want to go ahead and brush this on your face. The brush itself is very light, so you don't need to worry. Yep. So you just want to go as gentle as possible. You don't have to overdo it. So I try to use this like maybe twice. This brush twice in a week because I have a very sensitive skin. So I don't want to be rubbing too much because I know afterwards when you put on your products, it's going to be painful. So yeah, I like to go in here around the mouth, corners of the mouth, and if you need to, you just keep adding some soap if you need to. So this soap is very gentle. It's not what is this? Intense. Like in the smell also, there's not really much smell. So if you are one of those people who have sensitive skin like me, I would suggest to start off with this kind of product, especially if you are living here in Canada and you are new and you don't really know what products to use. So I would suggest you use this one. Okay guys, I think this is about enough. I'm going to rinse it out. Sorry. Okay, once I'm done with that, then I'm going to use my soap. I don't have the box right now, but I'll show you when I do my morning routine. Okay, so I use this one at night and in the morning because it's good for removing blemishes, dark spots, and all that. So yeah. Just want to go here, behind the ears, on your cheekbones. Pretty girl, you're so pretty, pretty, pretty. You're so pretty, pretty, pretty. so pretty, 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 pretty. I like to go a little bit extra just to make sure that the soap is nicely smoothed into the skin. You see? I don't know if you can see, but this is the stage. Ooh, baby girl, you're so pretty, 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 hey, pretty. See? Now once the soap starts disappearing, or the foam, that's what I'm going to do now and wash my face. Okay? To the loose. Once that's done, so I'm going to quickly take my shower and then I'll come back and show you what I do for the rest of, as far as my face is concerned. Okay, toodles, bye. I'm back. I just finished taking my shower, so we're going to continue. So I'm going to show you again what I used. This is the 5-in-1 facial cleansing mousse. So it has vitamin C and E, amino acid, and tea tree extract, and lactic acid or something like that. Yes. Anyways, I'll put the description or the name of the product in my description box down below, and if you're interested you can check it out. And then the next one I'm going to use is the same brand. This is a toner. It's a 5-in-1 facial toner. There's aloe vera extract, salicylic acid, vitamin C and E, and collagen. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. I have some cotton and I just spray just a little like that, and then I'm going to wipe this on my face. I just mixed it in here. Let's see how dirty, even after washing my face, this will come out to be. You see, that's why it's so good to have a toner, guys. And if it comes out dirty like mine, whoo, I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Around the eyes. This is also very light on the skin. It doesn't give that too much fragrances or even irritating on the skin, because I mean the ingredients are just wonderful. So I'm going to do it around my neck like this. Whew. Still dirty. But anyways, you got the drill. We did it twice, and we're going to do it again in the morning. Okay? So this is about it. And then the final step. So we're going to use this collagen Lift and Firm Facial Serum. Okay, I also got it from Dollarama. Also just $5. Yeah, guys, stop buying those expensive products that don't do nothing for you. Okay? There's really simple products out there, you get what I mean, that you can use. So this is how much I'm using. I don't know if you can read. And I'm gonna put this on my lovely skin like that and like that, as you can see. Oh, and then I like more. I'm looking on my phone and I'm also looking at the mirror here. Right? So this is also light on the skin. No tingling whatsoever. Normally when I use like some of these serums, I get tingling on my face, and I also use what is this? A brightening serum, but I only use it like twice in a week. So I'll show that one maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'll show that one in the morning when I complete the video for you guys. So this is about it. This is nighttime routine, and that's all. I'm going to make sure that it's all settled in. Sometimes it takes a while to blow it up. Oh, it feels nice. Ooh, feels nice. It's now a bit sticky. Correct. Hasho. Really? Yeah. And then you're going to this. This is a new product I just started using. Maybe 3 weeks. It's a brightening extra brightening cream. I'll also maybe link the links. I got this from online from Michelle Brands. Okay, so this one I just use a little like this. So don't go overuse it though, just a little. Okay, a little goes a long way. Okay, maybe we'll add just a little here. That's enough. Okay, little goes a long way, and you wanna make sure you cover all these authentic spots and dark spots that are always disturbing you guys. If you know my journey to my skin, I suffered, or I'll show you the links of how I look like prior to COVID. When COVID started, I don't know what was happening when we were living in the US, but my skin was not good. But I feel relief because coming to Canada, I haven't had any problems with my skin so far. So yeah, I don't know if it's the water, I don't know if it's the food, but my skin has been doing wonders here. So I don't know, maybe because I'm at peace, I'm not stressed. That could be also the contribution. Prior to living in the US, I was a student, and you know, school can be really stressful. Anyways, so this is it, guys. This is it, yeah. And I'm all set, and now I'm gonna take my beauty sleep. Hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you in the morning. Bye bye.